This is a used 2004 Mazda RX-8. Zoom Zoom. Powered by rear-wheel drive engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Tiffin Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2020 West State Route 18, Tiffin, Ohio 44883.